Hi everyone, today's video we are trying to find out which of these two numbers is larger, 100 to power 100 factorial or 100 factorial to power 100. You may want to pause the video for a few minutes and think about this problem and then come back to see the answer. So now let's try to figure out which of these is larger. Whenever we see a problem like this, it'd be a good idea, if we already know what is the correct answer, so that can help us to prove it. With this large number, it may not be easy to calculate them directly. So one way to do this is to try to look at a smaller version of the problem, and then that would give you an idea of what is the correct answer. And that at least give you a sense of what is the correct answer. So let's look at smaller version of this. So if we try 2 to power 2 factorial, 2 factorial is 2. So this is simply 2 to power 2. This gives us 4. In the other side, if we have 2 factorial squared, this is again 2 to power 2, give us 4. So these are equal. Now let's try something else, maybe 3 to power 3 factorial and 3 factorial to power 3 here. 3 factorial is 6, 3 to power 6, that will give you 729. And here 6 to power 3, that will give you 216. So based on this smaller version of the problem, we may suspect that 100 to power 100 factorial is actually larger. However, we don't know that. We need to prove it or show it some way. One thing that can help us to compare these two numbers, if the base of the two numbers is the same, here we have 100, here we have 100 factorial. So with two different bases, it may not be easy to compare. That could give us a direction to solve the problems by trying somehow to make the two bases the same. So let's, for example, take this one, 100 factorial to power 100, and see if we can manipulate it a bit so that we have base also of 100 to compare with. So we're starting with 100 factorial to power 100. I can write the 100 factorial as 100 times 99 times 98 until we reach 1 to power 100. So one way to get 100 is to notice that I can replace the 99 with 100. 99 is less than 100. So notice that I'm now using less than. And similarly, 98 is definitely less than 100, and so on. And the 1 is also less than 100 to power 100. So this one is simply 100 times. So repeating 100 for 100 times, we can write this as 100 to power 100, and all of this to power 100. And this can be written as 100 to power 100 times 100. And this is obviously can be written as less than 100. I can replace this 100 with 99 times 98 times 97, etc. until I reach 1. Obviously 100 is less than this one. This number you can see is 100 to the power of 100 factorial. So this is what we finally found, that 100 factorial to power 100 is actually less than 100 to the power 100. So this is the larger number, and this is the answer to our question. Finally, if you find this video useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification on so that you get notified about new content. Thank you for watching.